Hey Design Squad, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is sponsored by Poshmark. You guys really love the last video that I did with them. I mean, everything was sold out like literally immediately. I decided to come back and sell some more of my clothes because, you know, I love you and I got you, okay? So let's go ahead and get into it. Before we get started with the video, if you haven't heard about Poshmark, I'm about to go ahead and give you all the deets. Okay, so with Poshmark, it is an app where you can buy and sell new and used fashion. So you can buy something that is designer, you can buy something that's not designer. It's completely up to you, and that's what I really love about the app, because you don't have to go out and spend a lot of coins. So I've seen brands on there such as Nike's, Louis Vuitton, Michael Kors, Adidas, and much more. So the app is extremely easy to navigate, and it's also aesthetically pleasing. I'm going to put a screenshot of the app so you can see like what it looks like. It literally, to me, reminds me of an Instagram feed. So you can go ahead and download the app for free. The link will be in the description box below, so definitely go ahead and check that out. And then also you can go and check out my closet. My handle will also be down below. So if you have a Poshmark closet, leave comments down below, give us your handle name, let us know, as well as if you don't have one, girl, what you waiting on? You can get these coins, okay? Or you could just be buying stuff on the app. So definitely click the link in the description box so you can be able to download the free app, as well as create your own closet. If you want to be a part of the Design Squad, then definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and right next to the subscribe button, hit that notification bell. And just hitting that notification bell, you're notified each and every time I upload a video, so you don't miss my videos and nothing be sold out, honey. But the first thing I'm selling, I am so upset because I really like this piece. But it's this set from Misguided. So this is what it looks like, but it's like a pastel purple, if that makes sense. So this is very new, never worn. The tag is still on. All I did was try it on. And this is the jacket to go with it. It kind of reminds me of like 90s vibes. So if you are going to a 90s party, or it's a theme party or whatever, this is so cute. It's also cute to wear in the summer. Even though the jacket is just a tad bit heavier, it is like jean material. But this set is so cute, and I'm wanting to wear it so badly. But the skirt is like, it don't want to work with my hips. The skirt was like, girl, you tried it. Like, you knew better than to get a size. What is size is this? I got a size 6. So this is a UK 10 and it's a US 6. So if you are a 6 and you don't have wide hips, I suggest you go and get this item here, okay? I'm gonna repeat this because I don't want no problems. This is a US 6. There's no stretch in this skirt whatsoever. No stretch at all. So if you are a US 6 and your hips are not wide, then you can go ahead and get this skirt here, okay? So I'm going to try it on for you guys so you can just see how it looks. Some of these items I won't be able to try on for you because I can't fit them. So, oh, I don't want to give it away. Oh my gosh. I'm having a moment. I'm just saying, like, I'm looking at the mirror, like, this is cute as hell.
Don't set 50,000 on my head is disrespect. So can't go 50-50 with no hope.
Like, look how cute this is. Like, you don't have to wear the jacket on. You could just wear it like this, you know, just real cute and casual. This color is not too bright. I really like it. You can wear like this little white tank top like I have here underneath or whatnot. Some heels, some sandals, whatever you want to do. So this is the first set that I'm selling. So the next thing I'm going to be selling is these camel pants here. They're actually really cute. These is from Yoins. They're size medium. There's no stretch to these pants whatsoever. I think a large would have done me justice. But these are what these pants look like. Like I said, if you don't have hips, this would work for you. If you know that you're wide, like, don't try and get this item. Like, I'd rather be honest with you than, you know, say, girl, yes, go ahead and, you know, pick this up or whatever, because it's not about that. Like, I want you to, you know, be satisfied with the items that you get. And that's like with anything, like any video that I do. These pants do not stretch whatsoever. They're so freaking cute. I've never had like this gray and white camel pants here. Again, they have belt loops here. I cannot try it on, you guys, because I cannot fit it whatsoever. This is a medium, and then at the bottom it has like this little scrunch here. Another item that I am giving away, again, haven't worn. This was actually in one of my last videos. This is a jumpsuit here. It's from Fashion Nova. Really, really, really cute. The only thing that I don't like about this jumpsuit is that it's just a little too short for me. And I just know that if it's short, I'm not going to wear it. I'm not even going to lounge in it. But I think that it's so cute, and this is one of the reasons why I picked it out. But it's like this pinstripe blue and white material, and again has the tag still on it, so it hasn't been worn. And it's like off the shoulder, and this like here, I'm gonna try it on for you guys, but this just comes like over your breast. It's all the way down, and then once you get to the bottom of the legs, it starts to go horizontal instead of vertical. So I think that's really cute. It's like really gives it like character. So I really like this. This would be really cute for the summer. Throw your little straw hat on, girl, with your little bag, crossbody bag. You'll be really, really cute. But let me go ahead and try this on for you. So here's what the jumpsuit looks like. This is in a size medium, so I just wanted y'all to see how it looks under here. But this is very, very form-fitting. As you can see, size medium, fits very nice, and also has a little bit of a stretch to it as well. And then this just goes over it, so it's off the shoulder, and this is just hanging over it. I really like it. I think it's so freaking cute. But this is how they look. I hope this angle is really nice for you guys. But I don't like the high water. Like if I was to wear heels with it, like it'd just be too high waters for me. But this is like really, really, really cute. I'm like about 5'5", 5'6". If you are shorter, like 5'4" and lower, I think this will be really cute on you and perfect. So yes. So next we got this bomb ass item that I actually got from Diva Boutique. But this is what this looks like. It has this like cute block. I can't even tell you what design I think this is because I don't even know. But it does have this cute block design here, and it is black and white. The pants are like thin, so it is thin material, but it's perfect for the summer because it's not too hot, it's not heavy. So I really like this. And it also has like this little belt. It does have pockets. So this is scrunchy here. But I got this in a size small. It is a set. It does come with this top here where it's like off the shoulder. So this is how it looks on. The top is even too small for me as well. But it's super cute. So this is one shoulder and one shoulder is out. And then it has like this little zipper here on the side for you to zip up. I got a medium. So I would say if you are to choose size small, I mean a size 2 to 4, then you'll be able to wear this. It's really cute. I'm going to show you a few more items, and then the rest of the items you're just going to have to see on my closet. Okay, girl? Okay. I'm showing another set because you know I love sets. I really like this set here, and I wish that the shorts were a little bit longer on me. They're very cute. They're like linen shorts. They are a size small, and I can fit them. It's just that they're super short. And then it comes with this little top here, and the top still has a tag on it. I mean, I took a picture in this item, and I did not wear it like at all. I just took the picture. Alright, obviously I have my bra on with it. But this is how this looks. So you can see that they are a little bit short. Really, really short, but they are cute for like a vacation. And they are high-waisted, or maybe I'm just making them high-waist. Maybe you don't have to make them high-waist. I don't know, but I think they look better high-waisted. But I really love this like material, and I wish that the shorts were a little bit longer, but this would be so cute, you know, by the beach or by the pool or whatever. I think that this is so cute, and I love this color. It is red, as you can see. It might be coming up like maybe orange on camera, but it is a true legit red. And then the last item that I'm going to show you is also from Yoings, a pair of pants that are like a size, what size are these? They're actually a size large. So these are the pants that like ties in the front. I'm just gonna show you what it looks like in a few. But these pants like are very, very stretchy. I actually really love this color. Orange, burnt orange. It looks really good. They do have pockets, and then also this here in the front like ties on the leg. But it does come with like a little belt as well. And I'm just gonna go ahead and try these on for you. So these are what these pants look like. They have pockets. They're actually really cute. The belt is just like a little bit funky, but they're very comfortable. You don't have to worry about being like too high or just the pants being too heavy. So lightweight pants, perfect for the summer, I think, and super cute. So I just wanted to show y'all what the bottom looks like. So this is with it tied. I think that that's super cute. And then this is like something else that you can do. It's not tied, but you can tie it to the front or you can tie it to the back. And then also I've seen a lot of people with heels on with this, but this is how this look. But y'all, this completes this video here. I just wanted to show you a few items that I'm going to be selling. Like I said, you have to go ahead and head over to my closet so you'll be able to see the rest of the items that I am selling. I think that there's some really cute items. I mean, I have a lot. I have a lot of stuff. Like, look all this stuff. Like, cute, right? I mean, stuff is still in bags. Like, this is really cute. I mean, I have a lot of stuff. So don't forget to click that link in the description box below so you can download the free Poshmark app, and you can also create your own closet and where you can buy and sell fashion. And then also come and check your girl page out. I will see you in my next video. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I appreciate you so much. Leave your comments down below, leave your handles down below, because I be checking out y'all closets, okay? I appreciate you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video. Love you guys.
Looking like a right swipe on Tinder.